Someone who wants to learn coding but hates to debug.
Debugging is coding. That's where you actually learn. You should start small and treat bugs like puzzles, not failures. So, yeah,
Someone who is afraid to speak publicly.
start small. Start speaking in safe spaces first, like with your family or closest friends. Um, from then, um, confidence will slowly start to build up, and once once you have enough confidence, you can like start speaking in big events.
Someone who wants to start volunteering in tech communities.
Um, Join communities, attend events, and say yes to smaller roles. That's how it starts.
Someone who wants to join the tech industry but feels behind.
Everyone starts behind, to be honest. The only difference is who keeps going.